Hey class 5, I just want to tell you about my dream. Actually it was a nightmare. I was just reading your science book and suddenly I heard a thunder and there is a ghost near me. Oh my god, I was so scared. What would I do? What would I do? And that ah! Oh my god. What's that? Okay, now after that there is a infrastructure. Now this, what's that? This is just a framework. And oh my god, Naitik, what are you doing? Are you trying to scare your teacher? Don't do that, don't do. Okay, I'll show you the actual thing. This is called the human skull and is made up of flat bone. It includes the bones of our head, face and jaws. These bones are joined together very closely. All the bones of skull except the lower jaw can be moved. This allows us to chew food, to talk, and the skull, the main function of the skull is it protects the brain as well as it gives shape to our face. Then we move to the backbone, spine. The backbone or a spine or a vertebral column is made up of small bones. So, in this way, children, we will read all the things related to our human skeleton system. A human skeleton system is just a framework of wood, just like and that gives a particular shape to our whole body. Okay, so this is an app. You can also download this app to get all the 3D structures. These are called the rib cages. Hi class 5, in this video we will learn more about our skeleton system and we'll just do the revision. The skeleton system is just a framework of our body, okay, so that it will get a perfect infrastructure. And we will start with this exercise. Check your progress. It's at page 36 of your book. Framework of bones, skeleton. Another name of backbone, spine. Backbone of forelimb consists hands. Bones of the hind limbs consist legs. We have two girdles, shoulder blade and pelvic girdles. Okay, now turning to the next exercise, we have the next we have objective type of question that refer to page 38 of your book, and that's which of these is a part of skeleton system? Now stomach, muscles, heart, no, skull, because skeleton system only consists of bones, na? The skulls. This part of skeleton system protect the heart. Heart को protect करती है हमारी rib cages. Okay. Next. Which of these is an example of immovable joint? वो joint जो move नहीं करता, तो ये सारे movable joint है. Ball and socket joint ये hips में होता है. Pivot joint, hinge joint. Okay. Skull जो है वो move नहीं कर पाती है, सिर्फ lower jaw move करता है इसका. This is a part of shoulder girdle, collarbone, girdle. Next, match the column. We have okay, breastbone, sternum. Immovable joint, skull. Movable joint, hip joint. Involuntary जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होते हैं, हार्ट है ना, वो हमेशा मूव करता रहता है, हार्ट बीट होती रहती है. Either we are sleeping, either we are waking up. Voluntary muscles, we have muscles of leg. Now, rewrite these sentences correctly. All the bones of skull are immovable joint except lower jaw. जो नीचे वाला जो jaw है, let me show you from the picture. Okay, ये जो हमारी skull है, ये move नहीं करती है, लेकिन इसका जो ये part है, नीचे वाला part, ये move करता है. इसकी वजह से हम फूड को च्यू कर पाते हैं, ये हिलता है ना, इसलिए, ठीक है, तो इसकी वजह से हम फूड च्यू कर पाते हैं, हम बोल पाते हैं, क्योंकि ये मूव करता है इसलिए, ठीक है. सो एक्सेप्ट द लोअर जॉ, ये लोअर जॉ है ना, ये मूव कर सकता है, बाकी ये ऊपर वाला पार्ट मूव नहीं कर सकता. सो ऑल द बोन्स ऑफ द स्कल आर इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स. There are 206 bones and 600 muscles in our body. Okay. So next we have at page 39, muscles are attached to the bones by tendons. Tendons कुछ एक ऐसे थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, तो मसल्स जो है वो बोन्स के ऊपर स्टिक करके होती है, चिपकी हुई होती है उस टेंडन्स की वजह से. ये धागे जैसा कुछ होता है जो बांध के रखता है ना बोन्स को मसल्स से. नेक्स्ट, कार्टिलेज प्रोटेक्ट बोन्स बाय प्रिवेंटिंग देम फ्रॉम रबिंग अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. कार्टिलेज कहाँ होती है? लेट मी शो यू. ये कार्टिलेज है, देखो यहाँ पर ये नी है ना, घुटना है. तो ये ऊपर वाला घुटना, ये नीचे वाला, बीच में जहाँ पे मूव होता है वहाँ पे कार्टिलेज होती है. ठीक है. ये इसके अंदर एक लिक्विड होता है जिसकी वजह से क्या है ना, इसके अंदर ग्रीस बना रहता है. ठीक है. जब ओल्ड एज हो जाती है तो ये चीज़ कम हो जाती है, इसलिए घुटनों में दर्द रहना शुरू हो जाता है लोगों को. नेक्स्ट, tick the odd one. The hint will tell you something about the group. Okay, we have the hint. Parts of skeleton system. जो पार्ट नहीं है skeleton system का उसको हमें अलग करना है. तो skull, backbone, rib cage, lungs नहीं है ना skeleton system का पार्ट. It's a part of respiratory system. अभी lower arm hint we have parts of four limbs. Four limb मतलब हाथ पैर अपने. Lower arm, upper arm, finger, toes. अच्छा, हाथ जो होते हैं वो फोर लिम्स हैं, हैंड लिम्स जो नीचे जो पैर होते हैं वो. ठीक है. तो टोज जो है वो नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, फिंगर, टोज, अपर लेग, लोअर लेग. सो फिंगर्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फोर लिम, दैट्स वाई. हैंड लिम्स हमारे लेग्स को कहते हैं, फोर लिम्स हमारे हैंड्स को कहते हैं. पाइवोट जो हैंग की स्कल एक्सेप्ट लोअर जो मूवेबल होने चाहिए है ना, स्कल जो है वो मूवेबल नहीं है एक्सेप्ट लोअर जो आपको अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है राइट नाउ. It is a framework of bones in our body that's called skeleton. These are the small bones of backbone vertebrae. The number of pairs of ribs in humans, 12. It is the place where two bones meet, joint. The hard elastic substance that covers the bone end at the joint, cartilage. अभी explain किया cartilage जो हमारी knees में होता है. Next we have short type of questions. What? Okay, children, in this kind of situation there is no need for you to go to any tutor or make him to come at home. You just watch the video and that would be enough for you. You can learn many things from that. Okay, we have the framework of different types of bone in our body forms our skeleton system. Okay, I had only written the answers. Second question, what kind of bone is the skull made up of? Answer, the skull is made up of flat bones. It includes the bones of our head, face, jaws. All of these are fixed except the lower jaw. Here also I had made lower jaw, that's movable. Okay, the third question we have, what are floating ribs? Floating ribs क्या होती है? Okay, the last two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs because they are joined only to backbone. अब चलिए हम इसको समझते हैं. चलिए यहाँ पर ये जो ribs हैं, ये इनमें जो ये लास्ट वाला पेयर है ना, ये फ्लोटिंग होता है. कहते हैं इसको फ्लोटिंग क्योंकि ये जो बैकबोन से अटैच्ड है ना, तो इनको हम कहते हैं फ्लोटिंग रिब्स. ओके, सो these are the three answers you have. You can take a screenshot, learn them, do whatever you like. The last two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs because they are joined only to the backbone. Next question we have. Okay, what's the question? I didn't write questions. It will be a problem. Okay, name the two girdles present in our skeleton system. In our skeleton system, we have two girdles. The shoulder girdle and pelvic. Shoulder girdle, pelvic girdle. ऐसे याद करना है इसको. Shoulder girdle, pelvic girdle. Okay. Speak it 5 times. Okay. Fifth question we have. Name the two types of muscles in our body. Okay. The two types of muscles in our body are voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary control में, involuntary control में नहीं है हमारे. Okay. Next, long answer question. Now next we have, okay, give any one function for each of the following. इन सबका एक एक फंक्शन जो इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर है हमारी बॉडी में वो हमें बताना है. स्कल, बैकबोन, रिब केज, लिम्स एंड कार्टिलेज. ठीक है. सो वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द आंसर. ओके, द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज स्कल. इट प्रोटेक्ट द ब्रेन एंड गिव शेप टू आवर फेस. ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, हमारे फेस को शेप देता है. बैकबोन, इट कवर्स एंड प्रोटेक्ट द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, नर्व्स एंड ब्लड वेसल्स. रिब केजेस, इट कवर्स. नाउ रिब केजेस क्या करती है? कवर्स एंड प्रोटेक्ट द हार्ट एंड द लंग्स. हार्ट और लंग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करती है रिब केजेस, एक कवरिंग देती है उनको. कार्टिलेज, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द बोन्स बाय प्रिवेंटिंग देम फ्रॉम रबिंग अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. कार्टिलेज अभी एक्सप्लेन किया मैंने, जो नीज में होता है, नीज एंड एल्बोज. इट प्रोटेक्ट द बोन्स बाय प्रिवेंटिंग देम फ्रॉम रबिंग, ताकि रब नहीं हो एक दूसरे से, जो मूवेबल जॉइंट्स होते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट और डू वॉट एवर यू लाइक. Again I'm speaking. Skull protect brain and give shape to our face. Backbone covers and protect the spinal cord, nerves and blood vessels. Rib cage, it covers and protect the heart and the lungs. Cartilage protect the bones by preventing them from rubbing against each other. Okay, if you can watch my video 3 to 4 times, you can easily learn everything. Now limbs. 4 limbs hands होते हैं, hind limbs हमारे legs होते हैं. So 4 limbs help us to pick and carry things. चीज़ें उठाने में और carry करने में help करते हैं. Hind limbs help us to walk and run. Next question again we have to write a short note on types of movable and 2 pair of limbs. So types of joints, 2 pair of limbs, as it's similar. I had written upper limbs, hind limbs and 4 limbs. Next, types of movable joint. Pivotal joint allow our head to move from side to side. ठीक है. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint allows movement of hip and shoulder in many directions. Hinge joint allows movement in only one direction of knees and elbow. Gliding joint allows the wrist and ankle to slide against each other. Okay, there are the joint. Let me introduce you also. Okay, that's enough. You can take a screenshot or do whatever you like. Next question we have, what is the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles? Give an example. The muscles whose movement we cannot control are called involuntary. The muscles of heart and lungs, and the muscles whose movement we can control. ये कितना सा डिफरेंस है, देखो पूरा एक जैसा है. We can control and we cannot. Cannot आ गया है, बाकी सारा एक जैसा. एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए. आर्म्स और लेग्स हम